Bye-bye. How you guys doing? Everything good? Awesome. Today, we're going to talk about math. Now, today we're going to practice the same skills that we did yesterday, and we're doing these same skills tomorrow. But the difference is that we're going to use different numbers and different word problems. So let's listen and pay attention. Today is Tuesday, April 21st of 2020. On math, you are going to draw in the base 10 block, like yesterday, draw 3 ways of place value blocks of the number 523. That's the number that you have to do. That's your homework. Then you're going to write that number in word form, en palabras. Later, the last part is that we're going to solve another word problem that I'm going to give to you, but it's almost the same thing that we did yesterday. Remember that yesterday we divide the things in groups using our collections. I used my toys. I saw other students, they use their toys. I saw people that did drawings, and I like that. That's really good. I also like how I saw someone that used pennies as in group pennies. Instead of using toys, they use pennies. That's good too. So we're going to be grouping with some objects so we can understand the basics of multiplication. Remember, this is the beginning of multiplication. So we still need to use some objects or drawing so you can show me that strategies. Understood? Awesome. Very good. So this is all for today. I will see you soon on the class in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first thing that we're going to be doing now, we are going to draw 3 ways the number 452. This is the same number that you had to do yesterday in your homework. So let's check our work. If you can check your work from yesterday with me. So I'm going to do the number from yesterday. Let's use the color purple for the first one. So the first one on top is going to be the basic. Remember, they're going to draw hundreds, tens, and one. Yo voy a dibujar las centenas, decenas, y unidades. So we have 400. So I need to draw 4 squares, Tenemos 4 cuadrados because this is 400. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 ones. 1, 2. So we have 452. This is the same number that we had to do yesterday in our work, in our homework. So now I'm going to draw this same number with a different base 10 block. Let's use the color red. Entonces lo que voy a hacer ahora, voy a compartir. I'm going to borrow and switch some of the place value to other places. For example, I'm going to move these hundreds and change it into tens. Voy a cambiar estas centenas en decenas. Si lo cambio, significa que me quedo solamente con 3. So I have 1, 2, 3. And this one is going to be now a tens. How many tens is 100? 10 tens. Remember that? La primera semana de clase aprendimos esto en agosto. 10 tens equals 100. So I'm going to draw 10 tens. Voy a dibujar 10 decenas porque 10 decenas es una centena. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Así que ya tenemos se convirtió en esto. Este que está aquí se convirtió en 10 decenas. 100 is 10 tens. Now, we're going to add all these tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one, we're going to add these two ones. 1, 2. Mira qué pasa aquí si yo cuento. Y si yo cotejo aquí arriba tenemos 452. Here we have 452. 452. Let's check on this one. We have 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 300, and no, sorry, after 390, it's 400. So we have 400, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 450, 451, 452, 452. This is the same number. Now, I'm going to change, let's use blue. I'm going to move 110 to the ones place. So I'm going to turn this back over here. So I have now, again, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4. I still have 400. So, this 10, esta decena, lo convertí en unidades, solamente una decena. Puedo hacer más de una decena si yo quiero, pero voy a hacer una decena. So I have left over. Si saco esta, me quedan 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this tens, it moved and changed, this one over here, it changed into 10 ones because 10 ones equals 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last two, 1, 2. Si cuento, if I count, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440. Here we have 450, but now we have 440. Let's count the ones. 441, 442, 443, 444, 445, 446, 447, 448, 449, 500. Sorry, 450. My bad. I don't know what's happening with me. 450, 51, 52. 452. Todos estos son el mismo número, pero lo estamos representando de formas diferentes. All of these are the same number, but we're making representations in different ways. The second part, we're going to do word form. So we have 400, 100, and 50, 2. Okay? 52. Understood? 452. This is what you're doing today. But you're doing today this, but with a different number. You're going to do the same work with this number. 523. Remember, base 10 blocks and then word form. 1, 2, 3 base 10 blocks and then word form. Understood? Remember, on this word problem, we have to use a collection of toys or objects or coins or pencils, whatever collection you like to use, we're going to use that collection. Let's read the word problem. Vamos a leer el problema verbal. Remember, when we do the word problem, we need to do cubes. Circle the number, underline the question, box keyword, evaluate, explore the word problem, explain the word problem sometimes, and solve with strategies. Let's go. Yesenia made 3 bracelets. Each bracelet had 5 beads. How many beads are on the bracelet? En español aquí dice que Yesenia hizo 3 bracelets. ¿Sabes qué son bracelets? Pulseras. Son pulseras cositas que se ponen aquí en las manos. Y cada pulsera tenía 5 beads. Beads son como unas pelotitas que tienen las pulseras. La pregunta es, ¿cuántas pelotitas tiene ella en total? So, we're talking about Yesenia. She's the main character and she has 3 bracelets. Tiene 3 pulseras. Y cada pulsera, each bracelet had 5 beads. The question is, how many beads are on the bracelet? Okay, so if we pay attention, let's group with the toys. We're going to do 3 bracelets and each bracelet has 5 beads. Y voy a utilizar los juguetes para hacer este trabajo. Miremos aquí. Vamos a acá arriba. Muy bien. Ahora, si vemos aquí, dijimos que tenía 3 pulseras. She had 3 bracelets. So voy a hacer las 3 filas de las pulseras. Entonces, tengo una pulsera, otra pulsera y otra pulsera. 3 bracelets. Hay 3 pulseras, 3 bracelets. En cada pulsera hay 5 beads. On each bracelet, she has 5 beads. So I need to do groups of 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bracelet. On this group, we have 5 beads. On this group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 beads. On this other group, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 beads. Todo esto lo voy a quitar. Miremos aquí. Tenemos aquí un grupo. We have a group here. We have another group here. Y tenemos otro grupo acá. ¿Cuántos grupos tenemos? 1, 2, 3. ¿Cuántas pulseras hizo ella? 1, 2, 3 pulseras. ¿Cuántas pelotitas ella tiene en cada pulsera? Pues cada pulsera tiene 5. Pero ¿cuánto tiene ella en total? So we have to add. So this is basically multiplication. So here we have to do 5 plus 5 plus 5. And when we add, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Tenemos 15. She has 15 beads in all. Ella hizo 3 grupos, 5 en cada grupo y tiene 15 en total. In multiplication, this will look like this. How many bracelets does she has? She has 1, 2, 3 bracelets. And how many are on each bracelet? ¿Cuánto hay en una sola pulsera? En una sola tenemos 5. Así que 3 pulseras por 5 es igual a 15. 3 bracelets times 5 equals 15. Así que 5 más 5 más 5 es igual a 15. 3 por 5 es igual a 15. Muy bien. So you're going to be doing this same work, but with different numbers. It's the same word problem, but with different numbers. So listen up here. Aquí dice, Yesenia made 2 bracelets. Each bracelet had 7 beads. How many beads are on the bracelet? Repito, Yesenia hizo 2 pulseras. En cada pulsera tiene 7 pelotitas, 7 beads. How many beads are on the bracelet? Muy bien. Usted va a hacer esto por su cuenta con sus juguetes. Tiene 2 grupos y en cada grupo tiene 7 juguetes, 7 beads.